Hello everyone, hope you're all doing good. So today we are here for grade 6 maths. The chapter name today we discuss that is multiplication, and here are the names of the lesson, which is multiply whole number, multiply whole number word problems, multiply whole number with 4 or more digits, multiply numbers ending in zeros, and multiply numbers ending in zeros word problem. The chapter name today we discuss. So let's get just start. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudent.com. You have to log in by using their email and password that is provided by the administrators. Go to the subject tab, select maths, then click on your grade. So here is the grade 6. There is list of chapters here. So we can go with the second chapter, that is multiplication. And here are the names of lesson. So the first lesson today we start, that is multiply whole numbers. So in this way we just see that what is the basically multiplication, okay, single digit. So let's get just start with it. For example, if you have a numbers like this way, I'm going to put it down here, 74 times like 5. Okay, so here we just gonna multiply. So look at here, you always start from the right side, just multiply this 5 firstly with that number and then move with this number. Okay, so first of all we're gonna multiply this with the number like 5 times 4. So what's the answer when you're going to multiply 5 with 4? So 5 times 4 is 20, like 5 times 4 is 20. This is 20 here. You are going to put right side digit over there and move the left side digit up as a carry. So here is the 20, so you are going to put 0 here and 2 goes up as a carry. Okay, now multiply 5 with 7. When you are going to multiply 5 with the 7, so we have seen that 5 times 7 is, let's just see, 5 times 7 is 35. And now there is carry which is 2, then you are going to add up 35 plus 2, that is 37. So here you're gonna put 37. Okay, so the total answer is 370. All right, now let's just write another question. Then we have done this thing. I'm going to write it here now. Okay, so the total answer is 307. Now just gonna write with here. Okay, so this is basically the two digits that are involved. Now let's just suppose going to take, here is 200. You are going to multiply with 7. Okay, if you have numbers like this way, same thing you are doing, multiply with the first one, then moving this one, then moving this one. Okay, now here is 7 times 0 is 0. Every number which is multiply with the 0, then you get the answer 0. Again 7 times 0 is 0 and 7 times 2 is 14. Okay, this is the answer, then we get it. Now let's take some another. If I'm going to take it here, 572 times 6. Okay, now you guys tell me how can we solve it. We just simply first of all multiply this 6 with that 2, then with the next, and then with the next. First of all, 6 times 2 is, let's check, 6 times 2 is 12. So which number you are going to put it here and which number move as a carry? So 6 times 2 is 12. Here is 12. Now this number 2 is stay here and this one move up as a carry. Okay. So now 6 times 7, let's check. 6 times 7. What's the answer for 6 times 7? That is 42. Okay, 6 times 7 is 42. Now here is 1 already, so we just gonna add up 42 plus 1, that is 43. Now here is 43, but it depends now, there is 3 here, so this 3 is staying here, put in basically down, and this 4 move up as a carry, move up on the 5, not on the 7. Okay, next number. Now multiply 6 with 5. 6 times 5 is, let's check, 6 times 5 is 30. And how much the carry that you added? 4. So 30 plus 4, which is 34. Is there any other number that is with the 5? No. So you are going to put full 30 here. If there is some number here, you are going to put 0 here, and then 3 again goes up as a carry. So this is the answer for that question. Okay, now let's do next one. For example, if I'm going to write here a question, let's do some test. Okay, 59 times 8. Let's do it. Two test questions then we have. That's enough. 59 times 8. So what is 59 times 8? First of all, multiply 8 with this 9. 8 times 9. 8 times 9 is 72. You're going to put 2 here and 7 goes up as a carry. Now 8 times 5 is 8 times 5 is 40. You are going to add up 40 plus 7, that is 47. So you're going to put 47 here. So 472 is your answer. 472 is the answer. Okay, this is the answer, then we get it. Now look at here, they are saying that multiply 1201. Let's just check. 1201 times 2. Let's check. Okay, so when we're going to solve this one, 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 0 is 0. Now this 2 with that 2, 2 times 2 is 4. Now this 2 with that 1, 2 times 1 is 2. Okay, so 2402. Check. I guess this is the answer. Yes. Solve one more question. 4 times 96. 96 here times 4. So tell me, 4 times 6 is, first of all multiply numbers. 4 times 6 is 24. 4 is basically here, right side digit is here, and left side digit move up as a carry. Now the 4 times 9, that is 36, and with 36 you're going to add the carry, that is 38. So here we gonna put 38. This is the basically answer, then we get it. Okay, this is 384. Yes, it's here. Okay, then let's just multiply. You guys multiply this one by yourself. Okay. So let's just discuss the next lesson. So here is multiply whole numbers word problem. Okay. So Scene bought 3 bags of candy. There were 94 pieces of candy in each bag. Okay. So how many pieces of candy did Scene buy? So basically, how many total pieces of candy in each bag? That is 94. Let's just write 94 each bag of candy. And how many total, how many Scene bought bags? Each pieces of candy is 94, and how many total bags that she bought, which is 3, so times 3. Okay, now let's just multiply again the same thing. 3 time, we are going to multiply 3 times 4, which is 12. Put the right side digit here, put the left side digit on the top of this one. Now multiply 3 with the 9, that is 27, and 27 add up with carry, which is 1, that is 28. This is the total basically. Scene bought 282 pieces of candy. Scarlett bought 4 bags of candy. How much total bags of candy? 4 bags of candy. Okay. There were 43 pieces of candy in each bag. How many? 43 pieces. Then how many pieces of candy did the Scarlett buy? There were 4 bags total, and each of which had 43 pieces of candy. So let's just write 43 pieces of candy. 43 pieces of candy, and there are total how much bag? Total bags are 4. Total bags are 4. Okay. So now let's just multiply. First of all, 4 with 3. What's the answer when you multiply 4 with the 3? So 4 times 3 is 12. So you're going to put 2 here, and 1 goes up as a carry. Now 4 with this one. So 4 times 4 is, so 4 times 4 is 16. Okay. And add up with 1, that is carry, which is 17. So here you're gonna put 17, that is 172 is the total basically candies Scarlett bought pieces of. Now let's do the test questions. This is easy, that's why we are doing the test questions now. Scarlett bought 4 bags of candy. Already done it now. It's 172. So I think so. Yeah. Okay, solve this one. The corner cafe ordered 2 boxes of sugar packets. How much? 2 boxes. Each box contained 34 packets of sugar. How many sugar packets in total did the corner cafe ordered? So this is 34 times 2. The simple thing, we are going to multiply 34 with 2. Okay, 34 times 2. So what's the answer when you multiply 34 with 2? 2 times 4 is 12. So how can we get it? So 2 times 4 is 12. This is your 12. You are going to put down the right side digit here and left side digit up. Okay. So 2 times 3 is 6 plus 1 is 7. That is 72. Let's check, is there any answer for 72? I I was thinking that 4 times 3. Sorry, it's 4 times 2 is 8. Okay? And just a simple thing. 4 times 2 is 8 and 2 times 3 is 6. That is 68. So here is the 68. Now, as part of their charity table charitable giving, 8 food companies sponsored a local food bank. Each company donated 31 cans of food. So how many cans of food in a total did the companies donate? Basically, 31 is the total donated cans of foods, okay? And how much the companies that are sponsored a local food bank, which are 8. So just simply multiply 31 with 8. Let's check. 31 times 8. 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 3 is 24. So what's the answer? We get it. 248. Okay, yeah, this is right. Okay, now let's do the next lesson. Okay, so you solve the rest of these test questions by yourself. So here is multiply whole number with 4 digits. So here we're gonna multiply 4 digits with 4 digits. Okay, let's just taking out. I'm just going to find a question. Okay, then let's just so here I'm going to write a question that is 243 times 2431 times 724. Okay, 1724. This is the multiplication. So how can we multiply? First of all, the same thing, we are going to multiply this one, all of it. Okay, like look at here, one by one we are going to multiply in all the steps. Got it? We are going to multiply one by one with all the steps. So first of all, I'm just going to multiply this 4 with all of it, with the red one. Okay, 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. So 2 putting here, 1 goes up as a carry, because the right side digit we are going to put down and the left side digit moves up. 4 times 4 is 16. 16 plus 1, that is 17. 7 is here, again 1 goes up. Now 4 times 2 is 8 plus 1 carry, that is 9. Understand? Again I'm going to tell you, first of all multiply 4 with all the digits. So we are going to multiply 4 first of all with 1, that is 4 times 1 is 4. Then 4 times 3 is 12. You're going to put 2 here down and 1 goes up. Then 4 times 4 is 16. There is 1 carry. You add up and then write the answer, that is 17 after adding. Okay. And again 1 goes up. Then 4 times 2 is 8 and there is 1 carry, that is 9. So you just put it and the answer 2431 times 4 is 9724. Now for the second step, what you do, you are going to put the, let's just take some another thing. You're going to put here the cross. Okay, what you do, you just need to put it here the cross. Now you are multiplying this 2 with all of it. 2 times 1, you are not putting multiply 2 with 3. No, first start always here. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 2 is 4. All the digits under like this way, but only the first digit you're going to put first cross. Now for the second digit, you're going to put the two crosses. Okay. Now multiply this 7 with all of it. 7 times 1 is 7. 7 times 3 is 21. You're going to put 2 here, sorry, 1 here, and 2 goes up. This carry, I'm going to remove it. Okay. This is for the first one. 7 times 3 is 21. So we are going to put it 1 here and 2 goes up. 7 times 4 is 28 plus 2 is 30. Putting 0 here, 3 goes up. 7 times 2 is 14. 14 plus 3 is, that is 17. Okay. Now in the finally end, you are going to put 3 crosses. Okay. With the first one, with the second one, with the third one, start with fourth one. Now multiply with this one with all of it. So 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 2 is 2. Understand? This is your, now how to add up. Now just gonna add up all of it. This is 4. These shows nothing, so 4 as it is. 2 plus 2, that is again 4. Add this line, 7 plus 6 plus 7. 7 plus 7 plus 7, that is 20. 2 goes up as a carry. Add this line, 9 plus 9, 18 plus 1, 19, 20, 21. This is 1. 2 goes up as a carry again. Now add up this one, 2 plus 4 plus 3. What is the answer? 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. Now 7 plus 4 is, what's the answer for 7 plus 4? 11. 11 for 1 here and 1 goes up as a carry. 1 plus 1 plus 2, that is 4. This is full your answer when you are getting solved this question. Okay, I hope everyone you clear this one, because this is the like a mode multiplication, like how to multiply these kinds of numbers. So we are going to use like this method. Okay, let's just solve. So this is the thing that we have done in all of it. Okay, so let's just start the next lesson. Multiply whole number with 4 or more digits. We already done it, sorry. I think so we are going to solve one more question for that. Okay, I'm going to write it here a question, then we are getting solve it. So the question that we take, which is, okay, let's just start to solve. So first of all, what we do, we are going to multiply 6 with that number, all of it. 6 times 2 is 12. You're going to put 2 here, 1 goes up. 6 times 3 is 18. 18 plus 1 is 19. You're again putting 9 here, 1 goes up. 6 times 3 is 18, and again plus 1 is 19. You're going to put 9 here, and 1 goes up. 6 times 2 is 12, plus 1 is 13. Understand this one? It's just like simple one. Now you're going to put, if it's all up to you, you're going to put 0. That's okay for it. Let's just put 0. Okay. Now multiply this 2 with all of it. First this, then this, and then this. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 2 is 4. Okay. Now you are going to put two zeros. 1 0 and 2 0. Multiply this 5 with all of it. 5 times 2 is 10. Putting 0, 1 goes up. 5 times 3 is 15, plus 1, that is 16. Putting 6, again 1 goes up. 5 times 3 is 15, plus 1 16. Again you're going to put 6, 1 goes up. 5 times 2 is 10, plus 1 is 11. Okay. Now putting 3 zeros. This 0 is like with that one. That's why. With 1, all of it. It's 2 3 3 2. 2 3 3 2. With 1, it's the same answer. Okay. Now just gonna add up. So here is, when you are going to solve, this is 2, and that one is 13. Putting up, that one is 16. Putting again up, it's 18. Putting 8, again 1 goes up. Then 6 plus 4 is 10. 12, that is 15. 5, 1 goes up, that is 5, and that is 3. This is the answer of that question. That's it. Okay. In this way, we are going to solve 4 by 4 digits multiplication. All right. Now, I hope you guys understand this lesson. Now, let's just discuss the next. So, I am going to move the next lesson. You can practice these questions, okay? So, multiply numbers ending in zeros. So, multiply number ending in zeros. So, if you have a sum number that are end up from with the zeros, like how to multiply with it, we are just basically simply we are taking the numbers. Okay. Like for example, if you have a question like this way, there is 60 and there is 20. if you are going to multiply, you are just first of all taking these numbers, okay, non-zero numbers. 6 times 2. So what's the answer for 6 times 2? That is 12. You're going to put it here 12. And now count it how many zeros? 1 and 2. Then put it here. Okay? It's like that way. So here is like for example, it's like if you have a question like this way, 40,000 times 7. Same the thing, you're going to multiply 7 with 4, put it here, count how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3. Like this way, you are going to put it. Understand or not? This is so easy thing. Okay. Now let's do the next. Okay, now let's do the test questions. 3,000 times 5. This is so easy. 3,000 times 5. As we know that 3 times 5 is 15. And how many zeros? 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Here it's become 15,000. Now multiply this one. 70 times 600. Okay. So just simply first taking the digits, zero numbers. 7 times 6 is 42. Putting here 42. Now count all the zeros. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That's it. Understand this one? Like how to solve it? Alright then. Let's check the answer. Is that yes, this is the right answer. Okay. Now let's do this one. Same the thing. 4 times 8 is 32. And how many zero with it? 5 zeros. Check it out. 32 with 5 zeros. Where it is? Option B. It's in the option B. Yes, it's in option B. So 20 times 200. First of all, taking out all the non-zero digits. So 2 times 2 is 4. So how many total digits are there? Check it out. It's 4 or 3? 3. So this one. Okay, so now just multiply 70 times 30. So what's the answer for 70 times 30? So 7 times 3 is 21. And how many zero with it? There are two zeros. Okay, so just going to put two zeros with it. So this is 2100. Okay, sorry, I'm not selecting anything. Hope you guys understand this lesson as well. Now let's do the our last today lesson, that is multiply number ending in zeros word problem. Okay, let's do word problem questions. So here is Harry bought 100 bags of bagels. Each bag had 5 bagels. How many bagels did Harry buy? So let's just simply multiply 100 with 5. Okay, look at here. 100 times 5. What we do? We are going to take only the non-zero digits. 1 times 5, which is 5. Put it here. How many zeros? 2. Just put it. That's it. Okay. In the second question, check it out. Stacky bought 80 box of chocolates. How many box of chocolates? 80 box of chocolates. There were 80 chocolates in each box. 80 box of chocolate and 80 chocolates are in each box. So how many chocolates did Stacky buy? So 80 times, so 80 times 80. We are going to take the non-zero digits. What are non-zero digits are here? 8 and 8. So 8 times 8 is 64. And how many zeros are there? There are basically 20. Okay, because 80 boxes and 80 chocolates in each box. Let's do some test questions for that now. Each builder weigh 4,000 pounds. Okay, how many pounds do 9 boulders weigh all together? So just simply multiply 4,000 with 9. Let's check how to multiply it. Okay, there is 4,000 and here is 9. What we do firstly, we're going to take the non-zero digit. What is a non-zero digit in this one? It's only 4 times 9. That is 36. Putting it here out here, 36. How many zeros? 3 zeros. 1, 2, and 3. That is the 36,000. There are 90 students in the poetry club. Last year, each student wrote 70 poems. So, how many did the students in a club write in all? So, 90 students, and each student basically wrote 70 poems. Let's check. 90 times. Oops, sorry, not like this way. We are not putting the numbers like that way because it's hard to like this one and taking out only the digits. So 9 times 7, what's the answer? Everyone, now you tell me this time. I'm waiting. Think about it, you all. So 9 times 7 is 63. We are going to put it here 63 with how many zeros? Think about it. Then I will tell you all. How many zeros that you are going to put? How many zeros that you are going to put with it? Two zeros, okay? So we are just going to put two zeros with it. So that is here. Let's check is they right. Yes, this is the right answer. Okay. A card factory puts 600 greetings card in each shipment. How many? 600. How many greeting cards will there be in 9 shipments? So let's just check. 600 times 9. I don't know why I'm putting like this way. 600 times 9. First of all, just taking the simple numbers in both of it. I'm just going to take 6 and 9 together. That is 63. And how many zeros with it? 1 and 2. It's not 63, it's 54, okay? I was just thinking like it's 9 times 7. It's 9 times 6, okay? It's 54. 100. Let's just check. Is there any answer for 5400? Yes, it's here. So now, look this question. They are saying that a game show has 90 categories. How much the total categories? 90s. There are 800 points in each category. 800 points for each category. So how many points are there in total on the game show? So we're going to finding it out the total points on the game show. Okay. So let's just multiply 90 with 800. Let's check what we got the answer. 900 times 80. Is it the question? Just check. 800 times 90. Yeah. Now just simply check 9 from here and 8 from the other one. Okay. So 8 times 9 is 72. So as we know that 72 and how many zeros? 1, 2 and 3. So 1, 2 and 3. So I'm just going to put the three zeros with it. 72,000 is my answer. Yes. Let's move with it. That is right. So guys, today we discuss the grade 6 maths. Here is the name of the chapter, that is multiplication. Then here is the list of the lessons that today we covered. The first lesson which we covered today, that is multiply whole numbers. Multiply whole numbers word problems. Then multiply whole numbers with 4 or more digits. Multiply numbers ending in zeros. Multiply numbers ending in zeros word problem. So you guys make sure before starting the next session you can practice this multiplication chapter, okay, and related these lessons. Then if you still need any help in any of the question, then you can contact tutors on Skype that are available Monday to Friday 5 to 9 p.m. So for now, have a good day you all. Bye.